since the month of May, there have been 3 confirmed cases of measles in Iowa. The latest was detected last week. The Iowa Department of Health and Human Services says they aren't related to each other. Some healthcare providers are now raising concerns for potential outbreaks. WHO 13's Teodora Mitov joins us with the details. Good morning, Teodora.
Yeah, Justin, good morning. Iowa's low immunization rate for MMR vaccine, or measles, mumps, rubella, is the main concern for doctors. Because of how contagious the disease is, there should be a 95% vaccination rate in order to achieve herd immunity and prevent outbreaks. But according to data from the Department of Health and Human Services, the state of Iowa is below that 95% threshold. And their data also shows that only 11 counties in the state meet or exceed that number for MMR1 in children under 2 years old. Dr. Nathan Boonstra is a general pediatrician here in Des Moines and the chair of Iowa Immunizes, which is the state's immunization coalition. He said some people aren't vaccinated because of political reasons, and more people are now seeking religious exemptions. But he also said that many vaccine rates decreased during COVID because people were making less visits to the doctor, and others might just not know the severity of measles.
I don't think people realize the real risks of measles. Yes, it was a disease that almost every child used to get back before the measles vaccine came out. And what a lot of people, I think, don't realize is that although that was the case, there was still back then a lot of pneumonia caused by measles, a lot of encephalitis or inflammation of the brain caused by measles. That measles damages the immune system when you catch it. And although a lot of people did okay with measles, some did not.
Now, Dr. Boonstra said that where the cases are is what can cause larger outbreaks. If a case seeps into parts of the state with particularly low vaccination rates, then we could be looking at larger outbreaks. Justin.
All right, important information to know. Thank you for keeping us updated on measles here in Iowa.